Welcome to IIPC's YouTube channel, guys. Today we are going to speak about a very interesting topic, that is digital marketing scam. Now, yes, you have heard it correct. What is happening right now in this market is like everyone is trying to sell you the digital marketing course. Yes, आप हर जगह ऐड देख रहे हो और इसके रिलेटेड हम यहाँ पे ये वीडियो के ऊपर बात करने वाले हैं कि जो क्वेश्चंस आपको आते हैं उनके हम आंसर्स आपको देने की कोशिश करेंगे. Now what we are trying to do over here is like you will have multiple questions like what is digital marketing and why to do, job requirements, scope, trends and tools you will be learning, all these things are there. And ये जो scam चल रहा है उसके related हम यहाँ पे आज बात करने वाले हैं. So let's get to it, guys. Okay, so my name is Moiresh and he is.
I'm Roshan Xavier and we are the corporate trainers at IIPC India.
Okay, so Roshan, you have a few questions for me.
Yes, actually I came across a student of mine and she had been doing her MBA recently. So she was looking for multiple digital marketing courses online. And she found out that there are many so-called digital marketing gurus who are self-proclaimed. They have no certifications or anything to prove. But they are stating that they can teach you everything in 300 rupees or 500 rupees and so on. So what is the exact crux or how do I define that this is a good institute and this is just like a random.
Correct. So like yes, as Roshan said, right, you might have also faced this ad ki aap, you can learn digital marketing in 399 and 499 and 799 and all. So what is happening over here is basically this is a scam. Now I'm not directly calling them out. Yes, some of them might be providing you information and some have been not. So I've also checked it out, okay, just to be clear about my statements. So what happens over here is, Roshan, okay, like all you see is like the whole part is the front. But what is digital marketing for that? What they are teaching you, okay, is not actual the whole picture of it, right?
Exactly.
So if you are starting to learn ABCD for an example, and I just teach you A for apple, that's it, you have learned, guys, Tata, see you, bye bye. What about the rest?
Exactly.
So that is only happening over there. See, at the end, you need to understand there is nothing free in this world. Understood? Correct. So the scam which I'm trying to tell you over here, or what you need to be aware about is by just doing this course is, at the end आपका end goal क्या है? उनको जॉब चाहिए रहेगा, उनको करियर बढ़ाना है उसमें. So let's just ask you, if you are conducting an interview, okay, and I have taken that 499 399 course and I've come like I have done this course. So what is my chances of getting this job, Roshan?
Well, basically if I was an interviewer, I would look for projects, I would look for your experience, right? And considering that you're taking an online course and something that is free, there is always going to be something that is hidden. They cannot give you everything for 399. Like let's suppose if you're a person, like let's suppose you are just sitting at home, you have free time, so you would start shooting videos, but there is still some amount of money that you would like to make out of it. You won't just give it out for free, right? If you're giving it out for free, there is obviously a catch into it. Like it's like giving a bait to a fish, right? The aim is to get the fish.
Correct.
The point is to give something so that I can get the fish.
Obviously.
So that is
so the best example that I like to give over here is, it's like the insurance policy scheme. At the end, you come like, okay, investment over here is market risk and the capital and blah 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 in the 5-second ad. So the same thing over here is hidden. Okay.
Exactly.
At the end, yes, you might get lucky if there is an actual genuine guy in this world living, as Mahatma Gandhi and Buddha were, right? So according to that, yes, you might. Otherwise, what I'm trying to tell you is that basically this is particularly the market situation right now where it is being flooded. Because what has happened is multiple people have done digital marketing and then they are trying to sell their knowledges to other. Now, yes, if they have got it correct, then it's fine. If they have not, then again. But what is important over here, what the smart thing over here you need to do is, or you need to keep in mind is, you need to understand whatever you are learning is going to add something to your career prospect or to your life prospect or to your business prospect. That is what experience. So what digital marketing is basically, it's not a particular kind of product or it's not a particular kind of fixed service. Correct?
Exactly, yeah.
So it's a differentiating term. Digital marketing is nothing but basically a unique strategy for each and individual business. So if you understand those things, if you understand the unique process of digital marketing, like because for an example, if I own a hotel, right, I can just do SMS marketing and I still can earn a lot more profit for my business.
Exactly.
And the same thing if I am a YouTuber right now, okay, I'm just Generation Z YouTuber right now and I just got my phone through my dad iPhone hai, and I'm just recording and I'm just streaming my YouTube के ऊपर PUBG channel stream कर रहा हूँ मैं मेरा. Okay, and from that also I can generate a lot of money. I do not have to do these things. So what are those things? Yes, they are digital marketing, subtopics of digital marketing. But when you're getting these kind of courses, right, they do not give you that idea.
Exactly.
Understood? You need to be smart and understand what your requirement is, and according to that you need to get customizations for it. Okay, so over here you need to keep one thing in mind, ki whatever you are going to learn, okay, is it actually, you know, customizable, or otherwise actually is it something providing you the experience in that field, particular field? And if you are getting those things, then go for it. If you're not, I'll suggest you to look forward. Okay, मतलब आगे बढ़िए please. So yes, Roshan, आगे बढ़िए.
Yes, so the next question that I have is regarding the false claims. Like, I was recently on the internet, I was looking out for some courses. Like, obviously, I was looking about what does the internet have to offer in
Yeah,
terms of digital
correct.
marketing. So I just wrote the basic keyword digital marketing, and what I see is that every single result that I'm coming across is either best, it is either the number one in India, number one in the world, or something like that. What I don't understand is who is giving them these credentials, like who is claiming, or like you can claim anything, right? I can say that I am like the best in this world, but who is giving them these credentials? So that is really important. I would really like to understand what is, you know, making them do these kind of activities.
Yes, so yes, as you might have also seen it, right? अगर आपने कभी जाके गूगल के ऊपर सर्च किया है, या फिर आपने एडवर्टाइजमेंट्स देखी रहेगी गूगल के ऊपर, या फिर ऑन फेसबुक एज वेल, राइट, और इंस्टाग्राम और यूट्यूब एज वेल, राइट? सो यू विल सी ओवर देयर कि इंडिया इज नंबर 1 डिजिटल मार्केटिंग ट्रेनिंग इंस्टीट्यूट एंड वर्ल्ड्स नंबर 1 डिजिटल मार्केटिंग ट्रेनिंग इंस्टीट्यूट. तो ऐसी कौन सी मीटिंग होती है जहाँ पे हमें नहीं बुलाते भाई? So basically what has happened is like कि Miss Universe का contest चल रहा है and only people who are participating is from Earth. What about the other planets, man? It's not fair.
Yes.
Okay. So over here you should not claim those things. I'll basically say that ki, yes, as we are also doing digital marketing, okay, and we are doing advertisements for that, we tell our students to use adjectives.
Exactly.
Obviously you are going to be using adjectives because according to that our mindset, human mindsets work in those kind of sense.
Completely.
But what you need to understand over here is you do not need to use the particular kind of advantage from those things, you know, not for you know, bad purposes. What I'm trying to tell you over here is you don't try to claim anything. Don't just try to sell it on that particular keywords.
Exactly.
Sell it on something else. Sell it on something which you're actually owning, because you cannot claim this thing.
It is a lot like if I am certified to say that yes, this institute is the best in the world, by like let's suppose Google claims so,
Yeah.
then I can say that okay, there is some level of credibility to it. But the problem is when everyone starts doing it, it becomes a very bad race.
Correct.
It is more of like everyone is just trying to be heard, and then they are like कि, okay, कुछ भी बोल देंगे हम, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ना, कोई validate नहीं करेगा.
Obviously, like the only number that has been taught to them is 1. What about the rest of the numbers, guys? Okay, so there is no actual kind of thing which you need to focus on, like okay, they're number 1 and all those things. They are just adjectives, guys. Okay, just be smart about it. Okay, ask them about how and what they are teaching and how it works. So again, I'm going to go again on the repetitive question. Okay, जो repetitive answer आ रहा है मेरे तरफ से, sorry for that. But I'm always telling you, experience. Are they teaching you something worthy?
Exactly.
Okay, are they having a reputed kind of you know, experience of their own? Check that over here. कैसे पता चलेगा? Go to their reviews, check their reviews, what people are saying about them. Correct. Go through their, you know, multiple kind of social media profiles, check that thing. Correct.
Completely.
Correct. And get the understanding of how much time they were on these kind of platforms and how much they have actually, you know, generated their community. I'm not going to say followers and all, I'm going to say community, because community responds and engages. Followers can be bought, guys. As you can see of, you know, who was the latest singer, that was Badshah, right? So there was a controversy regarding him that he bought his followers and likes YouTube views and all these things. So yes, digital marketing is not that, guys. Please, digital marketing is promotion, yes, obviously, but not the fake things which is happening. That is basically आप सीखोगे जब हमको black hat techniques जो रहती है वो उसमें आ जाता है. So that is illegal. So over here you need to always understand and be smart कि जो audience है आपने दिमाग और आंखें दोनों खुली रखनी है एंड चेक करना है कि नंबर 1 के ऊपर ज़्यादा आपको फोकस नहीं करना है. यू हैव टू गो एंड चेक कि वो आपको क्या प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं. मनी वैल्यू जो मिलनी चाहिए वो मिल रही है, एंड जो पहले ही लोगों को मिली है वो रिसर्च करो आप. ओके, यस.
So except for this, I also had to ask regarding the approach. Like ऐसा होता है कि यार कई बार students पढ़ लेते हैं. So what they learn is they learn कि यार SEO क्या होता है, उसका full form पढ़ लिया, SERP क्या होता है, रट लिया पूरा कि हाँ भाई ये होता है, इसका ये मतलब बनता है. But they do not understand कि यार result चाहिए या process चाहिए. The thing is कि you enter a company, now you are hired, okay, and you are the first digital marketing guy in that company. It's a startup and तुम्हें कुछ नहीं पता. पहले दिन आ गए and they are like कि अभी काम करो. उन्हें भी नहीं पता तुम क्या करोगे. So the student is confused, the person is confused, they start calling and they're like यार सर करना क्या है,
Correct.
right? Because वो तो पढ़ा ही नहीं है.
Correct.
तो that is like the problem कि most of the institutes are teaching the process and not the result. They are teaching कि यार ये करना है, but they are not saying कि यार कब analyze करना है, कि यार ये situation में काम करेगा. I'm talking about a client that is like, let's suppose if for them phone marketing is enough, they just need SMS marketing.
Correct.
But we are suggesting कि यार जाओ affiliate कर लो.
Correct.
So that
It's
is
not-
invalid. That does not make any
It
sense.
doesn't work.
So that is like the current situation कि पढ़ सब रहे हैं, बहुत सारे digital marketers हैं,
सबको पता है.
सबको पता है, हर चीज पता है, but the point is कि
करना
implement
क्या है?
करने नहीं आ रहा.
Correct. So yes, I had one particular kind of batch where I was telling them this whole thing yesterday only. So I was teaching them Google AdWords. Okay. So over there I told them, okay, Google AdWords is a tool. Like Facebook Ads Manager is a tool. Facebook is a third-party platform. Instagram, YouTube, and all these things are there, right? So जैसे TikTok ban हो गया, as you might have seen, right? India में TikTok ban हो गया because of all these things not going through that controversy. Yeah. But still, what happened now? You have to change the platform. Your business was, all the zero up to अभी क्या वहाँ पे कुछ नहीं कर सकते थे. Same thing can happen with Google. Same thing can happen with Facebook. Later on, we don't know if Trump gets up and says one morning, Narendra Modi something. We are done, right? So then what happens over here? So you need to understand that digital marketing are not tools. Okay, these are tools which you use for promotion. Yes, because your audience is over there. Now that's what I'm trying to tell you. Ki most of the time people should be result oriented rather than process oriented, because there is no single process. You can learn these things on YouTube as well. Tools के बारे में. There are actually YouTube videos over there. And yes, as nothing is free, as we have said those things, okay. But what you need to understand is the sequence of it. Like if Ramayana is going right, and I've told you whole the story, and then I say ki okay, there was all these things, and then you ask me, okay, these were the characters, but you didn't only understood ki who was Ram and who was Sita. So what's the purpose of me telling you that story?
Exactly.
Understood?
Yeah.
So over here, what is happening is you're understanding each and every plot. But who are they? What are they? Why you
Yeah.
should use them? Correct? This is the process and the result oriented kind of strategy which I was speaking about.
Yeah.
This is not being still clear over here. So when you're learning something, when you're learning digital marketing, right? So many of the institutes will teach you कि ये tool है, ये ऐसे करो, ये आपको ये advertisement ऐसे run हो जाएगी. But that is not the only thing. You need to understand for which kind of business you need to do this. You need to understand कि ये आप अगर करोगे तो इसका result क्या आएगा. And once you get that clear, right, then only you will be a good digital marketer. ये experience से होता है. Like I will tell you one thing yesterday. I had my Amazon associate account and I'm not basically using it, but whenever there is some kind of festival coming, I just use one of the links of like most generic kind of product, and I just try to do this thing. So I understand ki when to do it and how to do it. I know it's not going to work daily.
Exactly.
Same. I also know कि I have multiple clients for social media, right? Organic करना है. तो but सब लोग क्या करते हैं? Tool आता है, अभी उन्होंने सीख लिया एक tool बनाना, image बनाना है और डालना है रोज. But is that working? No, you're not going to get even 2 likes. I'll tell you that.
Analyzing is important.
Analyze
basically.
करो audience कौन है, वो करना क्यों है, क्या story बता रहे हो, and according to that you need to make your marks. It's not just कि knowing one thing. It's about analyzing and then changing. It's not just one kind of process. It's not a fixed process. Okay, it's a changing process. You need to analyze, test. ये जब आप करते रहोगे, you will be changing according to the market.
Exactly.
That's how it is, guys. You need to be actually true with yourself, and you need to be smart and ask these questions. Are you learning that? If you're not learning, you're wasting your money. Okay.
Yeah. So except for this, there is something about the jobs and the future part. The most common thing that people believe is कि digital marketing तो भाई हो गया, मतलब हो गया बहुत साल से, 5 साल हो गया, 10 साल हो गया. पहले था कि हाँ ट्रेडिशनल से मूव हो जाएगा, बहुत साल से कुछ हुआ ही नहीं. Now everything is just stagnant. It is done. So there is no more digital marketing. Let's look for something else. Let's jump into some new industry and वहाँ से continue करेंगे. So ये जो एक problem है, ये इसलिए हो रहा है क्योंकि लोग obviously news पढ़ रहे हैं, but they are not following. They are not understanding कि यार what is the approach. कि मतलब ये सब कहाँ जाके रुकने वाला है. It is like कि if Jio is doing some kind of a venture, if Google is doing investing in India, where does it end? Where does it go to? So that is the thing that people are not analyzing. So this is the constant question that people have कि यार digital marketing करूँ या नहीं करूँ? Digital job है या नहीं?
Correct. Now this was a brilliant question, guys. As you might have heard the news, like Google have invested so and so crores in India. Then there is Jio who has gotten partnership with Facebook and then trying to implement new things over here. And then there is Apple City which is going to happen in Pune itself. So all these big giants, big technology giants are coming to India, obviously. Now over here, what you need to understand is, yes, basically the first question which I'll ask you is like, what are the market requirements? Understand those things.
Exactly.
You are learning Google Ads, but is it the actual market requirement for the current kind of market, business, or any kind of company you're looking for?
Exactly.
Prepare it according to that. Okay, I'm telling you to re-engineer yourself. Do not just build stack upon stack upon stack. It's not the game, of Candy Crush. Like
You're not building Jenga.
you're not building Jengas and all. You need to understand that. You need to re-engineer yourself. You need to understand whatever skills you have. Okay, you need to build according to the end goal. Okay, because market का जो requirement है वो change हो रहा है. Now whatever skills you are taking, yes, it needs to be updated. Digital marketing is not a static thing. It is always dynamic. It is changing. New updates come every time. So you need to keep updated with those things. Okay, now when you're taking a digital marketing course, right, you need to have that kind of support.
Completely.
You need to have trainers, or you need to have a connection with that kind of particular, a mentor kind of thing, so that you can connect and then say, okay sir, this was my doubt and how you can. So whenever this is happening, like when you take a 499 course, you just get videos. After that, all blank.
You're done with it.
You are just hanging in the cliff.
And
right?
the point is that the course has been there for years now.
Yeah.
And the thing is, what you're learning is like already outdated 3 years ago.
Obviously.
You're learning a tool that is no longer existent. And then you go into the industry and they're like, okay, what do you know? And you're talking about all these past things, and they're like, okay, sorry, we cannot give you a job.
Obviously, they'll be like, I'll have to pay you to teach you things, and then you'll be, asset for me. But till then you are a liability, right?
Completely.
So you need to understand that, guys. Okay, so what I'm trying to tell you over here is jobs are there. Trust me, guys, jobs, hike, and everything is there. But are you worthy? Are your skills worthy of it? Now, how to do that? Because there was one thing I had, my student का एक friend था, and he came to me and he like, I had an internship of SEO, okay, and he wanted a particular kind of, I was looking for a assistant for my website itself, and then he said, I can be that. So for freelancing projects. So then I particularly asked him, what did you do in SEO? He told me keyword research, pura din. So I asked him, other than that, what did you do? I know I did 50 submissions on off page.
Okay.
So what about on page SEO? So not that. So does he actually have an experience in SEO? No,
Nothing
right?
at all.
No, because that is not SEO. Changing a website, analyzing a website, working on Google Search Console, Google Webmaster, doing on-page SEO metadata se leke, roboto.txt, sitemap, schema, all these things, doing all these things is basic requirement, is the experience which we require.
That is where you get the result.
That is where you get the results, right?
Exactly.
This is just a, static process which you will have to do currently to generate links. That's fine. But what is important? So that is what is happening, guys. What you are learning, yes, it is actually not, not totally, I'm not discarding it, but उससे भी ज़्यादा एक और step है, which is the requirement of market right now. तो अगर आपको मिल रहा है दूसरों लोगों से, do it. I'm not saying कि हमारे यहाँ से ही करो, but you need to keep that open mind. Okay, you need to understand that. Correct?
True. Now it comes down to the tools and strategies that you must have heard of. Like there are many tools. Basically अब ऐसा है कि यार कोई भी चीज़ ले लो. मुझे likes चाहिए, likes की भी tools है. मुझे content बनाना है, Canva है, right? And ये जो चीज़ें ये दिन ब दिन इनके price गिरते ही जा रहे हैं. It's like 5 years earlier, if I wanted to make a graphic design, I would have to hire a full-time designer. He won't even come for freelance because he would be like, it's a very hefty price. I'm not going to pay it. अभी ये जो चीज़ है ये कोई भी कर सकता है. It's like I get a Canva free subscription, I can do it.
Yeah,
right?
obviously.
And then there are many other tools where I have to pay a one-time yearly membership of like $5 or so and हो गया.
Obviously.
But the फंडा is कि यार tools तो है, but strategy नहीं. The thing is कि अभी सब बकरी जैसे लाइन में लग गए and सब जा रहे tools ले रहे बना रहे content, right? There is no strategy कि यार ये क्यों बना रहे.
Correct.
There is no pipeline, there is no funnel or nothing at all.
Correct.
It is just create content, put it there.
Put it there.
You have an Instagram account, you're going to create 50 content daily. Happy Republic Day, Happy Independence
All
Day
that,
and all that. And it's just
Put it
there.
on there.
But there is no logic behind it. Ki like, what are we doing? What is the essence? Am I creating something out of it?
Correct.
So that is missing. So what would be your outlook on like, what can be done to, mitigate these kind of errors?
So whenever I teach my students, right, I basically tell them there is a strategy which has to go. That is called as content strategy. Basically, many of the big industries or big companies focus a lot on that. Content marketing is the big game, right?
Yes.
Creating content is easy right now. Anyone can create content. But the standardization of content is required. It's basically storytelling, guys. What I'm trying to tell over here is you need to understand ki whatever you are learning is like you can eat anything like this, you can eat it like this as well. आप कैसे भी खा सकते हो. There is no just एक ही रास्ता है और इसी को follow करना है. Yes, there is going to a long route, short route and multiple kinds of routes. I'm not saying कि there is just one route. But what you need to understand is कि ये आप experience करके test analysis करके ये आप fix कर सकते हो. But one thing that you need to understand over here is whenever you start with it, the strategy creation needs to be very fixed. Your content needs to be of a certain template. Your story needs to be very well rehearsed. Your story needs to be out of any kind of loops and structure holes and all these possibilities of your business growing in different kind of directions. So there are I'll suggest you one TED talk. Okay, so there was one person on TED talk who was speaking about that I use Facebook and Instagram a lot of time. Okay, many of the generations, millennials se leke generation Z se leke baby boomers even are having smartphones right now and they are using it
Completely.
Audience is addicted to one thing and they are going to follow your channel because of that content.
Exactly.
Like just for example, memes. आप meme के page को follow कर रहे हो, you expect what? A meme. If you're following some another kind of profile, you expect that relevant content.
True.
Correct? And it just not needs to be the same. Repetitive नहीं चाहिए हमको. You need to have daily new things. Correct? Because that's the mindset right now. But that mindset has not been understood by the digital courses which have been sold right now. They're always saying कि no, just create one template लो, उसके ऊपर copy paste करो, सीखा. No, it needs to be template, but वही repetitive template नहीं होना चाहिए. Creative बनो. Even if you're using a certain template, you need to have a particular kind of story to it. Correct? It just does not need to be promotional or informative content. It needs to be engaging content. That's the new term which is happening right now in market, and that is not being taught. Engaging content कैसे बनाते हैं? Simple. Mobile उठा के ले लो. I was just teaching it yesterday. Many of the people have smartphones. Start recording, but they are shy. So what to do? So I say audio पे जाओ. Go on audios, podcasts. All these things are happening right now. Okay, as YouTube was previous, right? Same thing is happening for podcast. Many of the not mentors basically, but many of the peers which I basically follow. So digital Pratik is one of them, and multiple digital Deepak and all these things. Many of the people are here. Gary Vaynerchuk से लेके Neil Patel से लेके foreign से लेके सब पढ़े हुए हैं. What they are also doing is generating unique contents.
True.
Tools and strategies तो सब है.
Like people get bored of it after a
So
point in
something
time.
is like you input something over here, these are the tools, okay, and then you get the output. There is nothing that these tools are doing for you unless and until you're putting something over here. Input आना चाहिए, then you'll get the results of it, right? So tools are always going to be there. You can use any tool. Until and unless you're not satisfied with the input, you're not going to get the output.
Exactly.
So that you need to clear it up. Okay, guys?
And now that we talked about Neil Patel and also, there is this one big question about that all these digital marketers already have is that we have already done the course. So I get calls about people who are like, I've already done the course. I've already done this like 5 years ago. I'm working for the last 3 years, but still there is something missing. It is still like whenever I go for an interview, they're asking some things that I don't know about. It is like, where do I learn this advanced thing? Because when you go on the internet, all the basic things are there. Like अगर मैं YouTube पे जाऊँगा मिल जाएगा. नील पटेल के पास जाऊँगा बताएगा अच्छा ऐसा बनाओ ये ले लो and हो गया आपका 10x content बन गया. Now you're making a lot of money.
Yeah.
Hypothetically. But the funda is कि यार इसके आगे भी चीजें हैं.
Correct.
But people do not realize कि यार क्या है? What is media buying? Like for example, if there is a question, what is media buying? People are like, yeah, what is media buying? I've never heard of it. 3 years, but never heard of it. The thing is that how can you solve this kind of problems? Because it's like कि basic data तो हर कोई देगा, free में भी देगा, पैसे लेके भी देगा, basic सब देंगे, but आगे आपको continuously कोई नहीं पढ़ा सकता. Because after a set period of time, let's say 3 months, 4 months, after that the center cannot come behind you, right? The people cannot come behind you कि यार भाई हम आपको और पढ़ाएंगे और आगे देंगे. Right? So what can the student do in this case?
So okay, now over here I do not want to pinpoint or finger at any other kind of institutes or any of these things. So many of the people who do these things, right? There are YouTube videos you'll find, there are blogs you'll find, okay, giving information about it. You have to just read it and all, or you can just watch a video and you can understand those things. Now what is happening over here is, as I'd like to bring you back to the main certain point of it, that digital marketing is not static, it's dynamic. Updates आएंगे, आपको सीखने पड़ेंगे, वो implement करने पड़ेंगे. So what happens over here is, the whole scenario of most of the courses offered to you, or many of the people who are providing it to you, the whole one thing that I'll speak again is, there is nothing free in this world. Okay? Exactly. And then there is nothing new under the sun as well. Now when I say these two kind of phrases, what do I mean by it is, first of all, whenever you go on that video or any kind of content over there will be promotional links जो आपको वहाँ पे click करने के बाद बोलेंगे कि okay, buy this now, you'll then you know you can invest some money and then you'll get something out of it. Yes, they are giving you free, but is the bait. You have caught the bait now, okay, then there will be remarketing, then you will be seeing ads, and then so on and so forth, they'll catch you again, correct? So that will happen, and that's how it is, okay? Even if you're watching YouTube, yes, there will be some kind of free content, but you know they're earning through advertisements also, YouTube monetization.
Yes.
And there are different kinds of scenarios, not just this only. There are different kinds of ways to earn money over there.
Completely.
Okay.
Like
So-
you can be in a different pipeline altogether.
Correct.
Like today you're a student, tomorrow they would sell you their business franchise.
They can
something
sell you a
can be
tool, they
done.
can sell you anything. They can sell you a chart itself. So anything can be sold away. So there is nothing free in this world. Second of all, there is nothing new under the sun. When I say these things, what I mean by it, and what you guys need to understand by it is basically every kind of institute or any kind of course that you're selecting, it needs to have the upgraded things.
Exactly.
Like we have also started with it, like LMS platform we have created over there. We have started like you will get you can get lifetime access, and then you can start with the upgraded जो हम यहाँ पे जो नया आएंगे तो there'll be a trainer will be explaining those things to you. So when that thing happens, you're like, okay, you get an advantage of it, right?
So you're going the long way now. Like instead of just learning it for 3 months, you can learn it
You
over a long
you
period
can
of
be an
time.
alumni, because that's how it works. Okay, once you get the brand tag, you need to also have the backups for it. Correct.
Completely.
So many of this might and might not be doing it, and but one thing that you need to be smart about is understanding this concept, because this is not fake. No one can say कि no ये ऐसा नहीं होता है. Obviously you go right now and check your Facebook. जो पहले था और आज है, it is changed. The classic version has changed to the new version of Facebook itself. Updates are going to happen, guys. Okay, that's the whole rule of it. Change is the rule of nature.
Exactly.
Same thing over here. Change is the rule of nature and of technology as well. So you need to understand, you need to find some partner or some institute which will help you change, which will help you understand that change, and then you can implement that change. Okay, so once you do these things, then and there only you are getting money, value.
Yeah.
Unless and until that is happening, guys, you are being scammed.
And like regardless of whatever industry you're in, there is always the learning aspect. Like if you're not learning, then there is nothing that can be done.
Nothing
That is like on a personal level.
Yeah.
But again, the quality of the education that you get is very important, because if you're just learning the same thing over and over and again, then it does not make any
It doesn't
difference.
make a difference. It doesn't make sense as well. Okay, and basically it considers to be a scam, because you have been told something else and you're getting something else.
Exactly.
Correct. आपको बोला है मैं आपको एप्पल दूंगा, बट एट द एंड आई एम टेकिंग 40-50 रुपीस का एप्पल का आई एम टेकिंग द बजट, आई एम गिविंग यू द इमेज.
Technically, I'm giving you an apple, but
No, I'm giving an image, right?
Okay.
I've printed it out. I'm saying take the image of an apple. Apple है ना?
apple तो है.
But I got only 5 paisa for that particular Xerox of it, and I'm just taking 40 rupees from you.
Exactly.
So the margin over there you need to understand, guys. Okay, so when you are smart about it, once you think about it, and once you get your perspective right, then only you will be safe from these kind of digital marketing scams. Okay, now yes, thank you so much for watching, guys, and if you liked it, please subscribe our channel and like it, and if you are actually agreeing with whatever we have had a conversation on, okay, please share it, guys. Please share it to your friends and families and let them know, okay, to not be a part of this scam. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for watching.